In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background on a Slack video. Whether you're working from home or just want to maintain some privacy, blurring your background can be an essential tool. So let's dive right into it and make your next Slack call even more professional. First, you'll need to visit the Slack website. This is where all the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Slack's Work Management and Productivity Tools page. Once there, search for the Sign In button. Clicking on this will present you with several options, but in today's session we're focusing on signing in with Google. If your Slack account is linked to your Google account, this will be a quick and seamless way to get started. So go ahead, click that button and sign in with your Google credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access everything Slack has to offer. Navigate through to your dashboard and you'll notice a list of channels on the left hand side. Select one of the channels where you want to start a video call. If you're not sure which channel to pick, any active conversation will do. Clicking on the channel will open up the messaging pane, and now you're ready for the next step. Next, we're going to initiate a video call, or huddle as Slack likes to call it. Look for the Start Huddle icon, which is typically located towards the bottom of your channel interface. Click this icon and it will prompt Slack to open a new audio or video session. Now, audio might be enough for some, but since we're focusing on blurring your background for a video call, make sure you select the video option. After you've started your huddle with video enabled, you'll need to adjust your background settings. Near the bottom of your video pane, you'll see several options, one of which is labeled Highlight. Click on this. From here, you will see a range of settings specific to your video call. What we're interested in today is the option called Video Background. Once you click this, a new menu with different visual options will appear. From these choices, find and select Blur. Clicking Blur will instantly apply that effect to your background, ensuring everything behind you is softly obscured from view. And that's it, you have successfully blurred your background on a Slack video call. Remember that you can always go back to these settings to change effects or turn off the blur as needed. This feature helps keep your surroundings private and maintains the focus on you during important calls. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy seamless video chats with a touch of professionalism.